Okay, so 7 was there, 6, 5. 5 is balance, and 5 looks to go nowhere. So 5 was a no connect. Pin 6. 6 goes a few places. Oh, this should be fun. I think 6 is going to turn out to be the main output that drives all the resets. It goes to 1, 2, 3 over. 1, 2, 3 over. On top. Red, violet, green. Red's 2, violet's 5, no, green's 5. Red, violet, green. So a 4.7 meg? Yeah, 4.7 meg. One, 8 was here. 1, 2, 3, pin 3. Okay, that's a feedback. Does pin 3 go anywhere? Pin 3 goes nowhere. What else? We have. Yeah, that's a high precision resistor there. Of unknown value. The reason I say unknown value is these multi-banded resistors like this, 3-banded, 3 colors and then gold, silver, none, are 5% resistors. These, the bands, work the same way. They have the same values, but the 4th band is actually 1 digit the value. So the problem is, which end do you start reading from? This gap means, this is the either least significant or most significant band, but I can never remember those, so it's easier just to hook them to a meter and check them real quick. I'm guessing these are part of the voltage divider for the sense circuit, and following some of this back should tell me for sure what that is. It's not hooked to V standby. It's not hooked to V plus. Well, it's 2 holes, it goes to the one above it. Mystery resistor. Cap to ground. Those 2 last parts are hooked together. Orange, 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 brown. It should be a... Oh, orange, 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 gold. That should be a 330. Or 33K. Yeah, 33K. So then this goes to a 33K. And a diode pointing away. No connection there. This side's tied together. And it goes off to a white wire. Not sure what this white wire was for. I didn't have that part of the sign when I got it. And I don't think the other sign I have has any more of that circuit on it either. So I'll take a quick look. So here in this harness, you have this white wire. I really don't know what it's for. Obviously, it went back to the power supply. Maybe there was a standby / run mode on the power supply, or an external reset. I just don't have enough information to know anything about it. But either way, that's where that part of that ends. So stop tracing that direction. Now I got to trace the other way. I got another high precision resistor off of there. And it goes 3 over on the top. Needs to be to ground. Yep, ground. This seriously, well, other than that, is looks to be set up as a voltage divider. Because, this will pull the net down low. This only lets current out the white wire. Which is unusual. I'd expect there to be some way to get voltage into the circuit. So it comes in this white wire. Oh, sorry. This little circuit right here, what this does is it lets this cap slowly charge through this resistor, but quickly discharge through this diode. So basically it's a two-stage circuit, two-stage RC circuit where there is a delay powering up, but a very quick power down through that white wire. So this more than likely what came off the P good signal of the power supply, and this point here, well, that's the output of the op amp. Ignore all that, because this is the out. Well, it does feed the input as well. God, I have to think about this some more. This definitely is, it's definitely a two-stage RC filter where it charges slowly but quickly discharges through this external signal. This signal here goes a bunch of other places, which I failed to finish tracing, which I should have before I opened my mouth. So that's this pin here, 8, 1, pin 6. Eight. Right. Power comes in pin 7. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7, 6. Pin 6 goes to the resistor right there. 2, 3 over on the top. Yep. And it also goes to U9, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. U9, pin 9. Okay. Where else? Now I may branch underneath U9 and come out on this trace, but I kind of doubt it. But I can easily check that. No, no connection. There is a connection there, so that's as expected. Okay. Where else does it go? It goes. And goes to micro. Pin 1. $20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pin 26. What was that? U21. U21 is the processor. I bet pin 26 is reset. Pin 26 is reset. So, totally got that right. So this is the reset output. Now, if this is is that an open collector output? It's an op amp. Well, it has this 4.7 mega ohm resistor in line. Man, that just doesn't make sense, did I? Red, purple, green. That's what it is. Well, let's keep tracing. Oh, my bad. Totally makes more sense now. This circuit here allows this external P good to slowly charge up this cap, which is a soft start, but quickly discharge when power disappears, which sets this voltage divider. So, whatever voltage this in, it divides it down to a set point, which is then fed into the positive input of this op amp. There's a little bit of feedback here for whatever reasons, and then the output of this drives all the reset pins. Not exactly sure what U9-9 does, but U21-26 is definitely the processor reset. Clear as mud. So let's keep going around. So that was 7, 6, right? 6. Now that I've taken this part off, I see there's a connection on the top side to pin 6. So which goes to U18 pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. U18-5. Doesn't seem to go anywhere else. So U18-5 should hook to here. Yep. Okay, pin 5, nothing on the top. Pin 5, nothing on the back. Yep. Pin 4. Pin 4 goes to another high precision resistor. It looks to be 200. It's either 2002 or 1200. Probably at 1200. So 1.2K. Since I've removed the part, I should be able to just probe it. $20K. Okay, so that's pin 4. So there's a 20K to ground. That's ground, right? 6, 5, 4. 4 should be ground. I have it marked off that I found the connection to ground, but I have not. Oh, there it is. So yeah, that's just a ground connection. Pin 3, I think would chase the crap out of that. It goes to this bus bar of these 3 resistors, which then feeds back into everything else. On the back, there's no other connections. Pin 2 goes to a high precision resistor. Output of which I think goes over to that resistor. Yep. $2002. 2 more zeros, so it'll be 20K. Now, I bet you anything there is a connection between those 2. Yep, there it is. It's going to pin 1. Seven, 8. No, 7, 6. 8. Pin 8. Seven, 8 goes to this resistor, goes down to there, goes in there, this goes across. I did not expect the output pin 2 and pin 8 to be connected together through one resistor and then to ground. I wonder if they're